How's it going, everyone? We'll start this off introducing myself. My name is Eric Freusland. I am the shop manager up at Complete Street Performance. I'll put a link up above to the YouTube channel there. But I'm going to start my own YouTube channel with my personal stuff, racing, all kinds of different events. We'll see how things go. I have a couple vehicles. My primary vehicle is a 2013 Corvette Grand Sport with a supercharger. I'll go over that a little bit later. I also have a 2015 Chevrolet SS. It's bone stock right now. That'll get boosted sooner or later. Hence the name of the boosted one. I'm going to boost everything I own because to me, naturally aspirated is kind of boring. It depends. Z06 with nitrous, I can put up with that. But besides all that, what else do I got? My main daily driver is a 2016 Volkswagen GTI. It's not a muscle car. That thing's a blast. It's got the APR Stage 1 tune, blows the tires off first and second. I need to stop pacing around here. I don't know what I'm doing, playing with my hands and stuff. Also have a motorcycle. It's a 2016 Gixxer 750. I hardly ride it. It's for sale right now. As the title states, I'm going to be taking the Corvette to Cecil County Dragway Friday, tomorrow. Just to run it, get some seat time in, see if I can get a 9-second pass. We'll see. Last time I was there, it was during the call out with Guitarmageddon, and I did not have the meth injection that I have on the car now, and the IATs were going through the roof after the first gear, and it just laid down. I think I ran high 11s. It was terrible. I stopped running it the rest of the day. Meth injection has been installed. The IATs are under control. It's not ideal. I should have a better intercooler, but it is what it is for now. I may change things later. But we're going to kick this video off. When I come back out to the garage, we are going to take the stock Grand Sport wheels off, and we're going to put the welds on as a drag radial on the back. That'll give me the traction I need, both on the street when I goof around and on the track. So let's go. Okay guys, there she is. I went ahead and drove around the block so the suspension would settle. Also filled the tank with the 85. See my awesome stack of gas cans over there. I drive to Perryville, Maryland to pick up my 85. Get a whole bunch at one time and then have a blast pouring it in. As you can see, I overfilled it. Whoops. Alright, but there she is. So sexy on these welds. So sexy. See, she is pretty low. She's got a little bit of a raked look to her. She'll settle a little more in the back. I put the fuel in after I parked it. She'll probably come down about a 1/4 inch from there. Yeah, I'm sure you can agree. It looks a million times better on these S71 welds than it does on the factory wheels. But like I said earlier, today's Thursday. I'm gonna go to Cecil County Dragway tomorrow. As long as it's not super crowded, I'll run the car. And if I can drive it there, it should be a easy 9-second pass. The car makes 980 to the tire, like I said earlier. Plenty to get that 9-second pass. Like I said, I have to drive it there. I need some practice. But I'm going to drive it to work tomorrow. I live about 35 miles from Complete Street. But I love to drive this thing, so I'm going to go ahead and drive it into work tomorrow. make sure everything's good. And then we'll head to the track around 6 o'clock tomorrow. See you guys then. All right, now that it's Friday morning, car's outside, we're getting ready to go to work. But let me turn the camera around here and I'll show you the car in some better lighting with the welds on it. Hang on. Sorry for the weird camera angle here. This is just my phone mount. I need to get some more equipment to mount the phone or camera or whatever I'm using to the window. But yeah, talking to myself. We're down here. There's really no one here. DA, would you say it was 2200 tonight? A little warm, but DA's not bad. We'll see what happens. There she is. Let's go try and not break something.
All right, so it's time to change plans here for first round. Right now. Was anyone else playing something? Rob Lethbridge. Jan Altuzer. Jake Spencer. Joe Gessner. Bo Abel. Ken Horton.
All right, guys, take a look. The right lane, 10.2 at 147. Definitely have some room for improvement. It spun a little bit on the launch as a result of 1.762 60 foot. I'm gonna leave the tire pressure alone. Also realized I forgot to take off the air filter. I have a turbo guard I usually put on here, and it only makes like 901 only. But it makes 901 with the turbo guard on and with the filter. Okay, I'm saying this backwards. It makes 901 with the filter on, and it makes 980 with the turbo guard. And because you haven't seen this before, here is the currently messy engine bay. have some silence here. Ran one more time, did worse. 1043, still 147, but I spun and bogged. 1972 60 foot. Every time I try and talk, it gets loud. But yeah, that's all for today. I'll come back down here in a cooler night, take that bad boy off, put the turbo guard on, try and get 150 mile an hour in a mid to low 9. Later. Okay, we're back home. 10.2 to 147. Let me know what you think. It wasn't the 9-second pass that I was looking for, but did pretty well, all else considering. That was a pretty crappy 60 foot. I'm going to go ahead and go down again next Friday and see if I can get that 9-second pass. I'll take the filter off, put the turbo guard on, work on my 60 foot, and fairly certain I can do a 9.7 to 9.99. As long as I get the 9-second pass, I'll be happy before I get kicked off the track. The car should have a cage, but this is my street car, and I'm not going to cage it. I may do a roll bar. We'll see. Other than that, everybody let me know what you think of the first YouTube video. I know it's a little choppy. I still have a lot of work to do as far as the intro goes and how I transition from scene to scene. I'm going to get some friends to help me with some of the filming, because I can't do it all, and got a lot to work on, but I want to know what you guys think. Also, what else should I film? I have the GTI, which is more or less stock with just the stage 1 tune, which actually made it a whole hell of a lot faster, but I'm going to do more to it, probably the APR intercooler, and then after that I'll do an intake, and then the IS38 turbo upgrade, which is the Golf R turbo. We'll see how far that gets me. That may be as far as that car goes. The Chevy SS, that's either going to get the LSA supercharger that comes on the ZL1, the 5th gen ZL1, and the Cadillac CTS-V from the factory, or I'm going to go ahead and build a custom single turbo kit for it. We'll see. It's kind of a daily driver, so I don't want to go too crazy on it and make it undrivable, but I'd really like to put a turbo kit on it because everyone does the LSA supercharger. It's great. It's easy to bolt on and go, but I want to be a little different. Like I said, let me know what you think of the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Of course, subscribe. I have more to come, but we'll see how things go. See you later.